here today. I've got a Temu package to show you guys. And I'll go ahead and open it here on camera so you can see what I got. They sure do tape it good. Dwayne didn't think it would fit, all of it would fit in the mailbox. I told Dwayne, I said, you'll be surprised because with Temu, they managed to put everything in one package and package it up. And let's show you guys what I got. Opening it up. Very exciting. I always like getting Temu packages. Okay. Uh-oh. That's okay. It's bent a little bit. Was it bent? My Ghostbusters for Dwayne is bent. Can't tell it's too bent, but I should put it back in place. It's a little bent right there, but see, I'm going to open it. Ghostbusters sign here I got for Dwayne. And for a minute it was a little bent, wasn't it? So, right here, it's a little out of shape. See there? It's bent. Right here it's bent. I would probably tell Temu about it, but I see it's bent right here. You can see it. It's right here at the top. It's bent a little bit. So here we have the Ghostbusters. Yeah, I'll tell Temu about it. Was it just, it's not really well made actually. This tin is not made good like it should be. Like the way the Bigfoot sign is, it was made better. So I'm disappointed in this. I'll have to tell, I guess I'll mention it to Temu about it. Well, that's the first thing anyway. Yeah. Disappointing, you know. Maybe I can get him another one. They got a, hopefully his shirts will fit Dwayne. He got an extra large to be sure. Because he wears a large. I got him an extra large. Oh, I like that. It's 100% polyester. And it feels really nice. Extra large might be too big for him. Don't know. He'll know when it tries it on if it's too big or not. So, he was kind of afraid to get a large. Yeah, it looks like it might be a little bit too big. Maybe not. So, here's the first one right here. Front and back. It's got it on both sides. The picture on the front and the back. On both sides. Polyester. That one's really, that's pretty nice right there. He got a Mooni Shirt. So the shirts come wrapped up pretty good. Wish they would wrap the tins better, the tin signs better somehow. You put the shirts in the little plastic bags, which isn't that bad. Alright, here's the Goonies. And it's polyester too, I do believe. I don't never look at what the material's made out of. I just order it. I don't never think to look at the just say on this. Okay, on the I don't ever think to see what the material's made out of. So this one is Goonies Never Say Die. This one right here is so here's this one. Okay. And let's see what else did I get. I got a Doctor Who shirt. I got a Doctor Who, and I believe it's all polyester. I went and got a large just to be on the safe side. Is it polyester? Large. 95% polyester, 5% spandex. So, yeah, I think that's the best choice to go with. Is the large instead of the medium. I did order a medium before from Temu, and they fit a little snug. So, oh, on the back too, it says the same thing on the back. The Dr. Weeping Angels. Weeping Angels. Did I mention it also travels in time? The Doctor. The angels have the phone box. Or if it's now, fizzes are cool. Let you keep Mickey now. Let's go. River Song. Face of bow. Bow ties are cool. Here's Awake. The Doctor. So it's my Doctor Who shirt. Yes, the Doctor. Doctor Who. That way I'll know if I need a medium or large. Well, I'm thinking a large would be better. Let's see now. In here, in this box, we have and here, okay, this is Dwayne's hat stretcher he got. This is his hat stretcher. Put his cap on and stretch it. He was wanting a hat stretcher, and Temu had it. It was in this box. So here is his hat stretcher. It's getting hot in here. Open the door. It's getting muggy. Been making 2 videos today for you guys. Is this my cute little black mirror that I ordered? Ordered a black mirror. Onyx, was it? Black onyx mirror, I do believe it was. This is my cute black onyx mirror. Solid black. See, it come fine. It was packaged good and everything. Okay. When you look in there, everything is black, and it's really neat looking. So yeah, this was packaged good. So far, just the Ghostbuster thing's not really a deal, actually. It's okay. But I'll just mention it to them that the pen was bent, the sign. So this is my black mirror. Very neat. Obsidian. 10 centimeters. Obsidian disc. Okay. That's what it is. That's what it is, guys. It's a 10 centimeter. I thought it might have been a mirror, but 10 centimeter obsidian disc with stand. Okay. That's what it says on the paper. So, there's that. Can't believe how they fit everything into one package. There's another shirt. Dwayne shirt. Let's see what this one is. Ooh, how nice that is. Wow, that is nice. That is a unique shirt right there. 90% polyester, 10% spandex. It looks so good with polyester. It just looks so good to the eye in person. And look at the back. The back has the picture too, the same picture on it. Very nice shirt. Yes, very nice. He might want to end up wearing that one tomorrow. I like it. It's really the coat looks real on the shirt. Well made. Machine wash, gentle care, wash with light colors. Okay. Gentle care, do not bleach, dry clean, gentle cycle. All right. That's very beautiful. I like it a lot. So nice. Yes, that's a nice shirt. I can't believe they fit all this in one package. Alright, I ordered Mama some of these scissors to cut hair with because I love mine. I love my scissors. I also used them on Jack's fur and they done really well. So these are really nice scissors. I'm going to leave them in this wrapper right here. But I show you because this is what they look like, the same pair. So this is what they look like. The scissors. They're really good scissors. Freelander scissors. Freelanders. Handmade, it says. I love mine. So that's these scissors right here from Mama. I got. Oh, let's see. Here we go. Here's my little Ghostbuster pen. The back of it. Let's go. Yep. Very cute. so cute. My little Ghostbuster car. That's a pen. It's adorable. See, it's so cute. It's little Ghostbuster car. It's so cute. And it's got a little Ghostbuster here. Trying to get it in focus where you can see it good. It's really cute. Ghostbuster car. Let's see what I have in here. Anything else in there in the bottom? Huh? I thought I ordered a Beetlejuice pen. You don't see it in the bag. I have to double check, but I thought I ordered a Beetlejuice pen. Don't see it anywhere. Maybe I didn't. I'm not seeing it. Maybe I didn't order. I don't know. Oh my goodness, it scares the far out of me. But Dwayne liked it. This scary looking shark here. It's nice though, but it looks real. The shark looks real on the shirt here. Polyester also. Kind of hard to see, I know, because I got my lamp on. It's bright. There's his teeth right there. Same image on the back also of this. We'll zoom out a little bit. I think it's a better idea to zoom out. On the shirts, I'll zoom out, okay? So show these again to you guys, and I'm going to zoom out. Let's show you a few again zoomed out. You can see my small table, but it works for me. When I record, it works. Oh yeah, you can see it better. There you go, guys. I want to show you this one again. This one shirt again, I want to show you. There we go. You can see it good, better zoomed out. See there? How nice that is? You can see it good, zoomed out. Better, anyway. Just have to zoom out a little bit and show you guys. See, especially the shark, you can see it better zoomed out. And also, let's do this one again, zoomed out. That's Levi, if you heard that. Sound like a microwave. Oh, yes. There you go, beautiful ones. Look how awesome that is. back again. Yep, that's nice, I'm telling you. Zoom it out, and you can see it good. Zoom it out. My Doctor Who shirt. Again, I'll show you. And the Goonies. The Goonies looks good too. So thank you guys for watching. I've enjoyed this, and have a good day. I'll be back again.